All right, what's going on, guys? Figure I'd show you what we just completed here in the shop. We got a 2025 Kia K5. Added some ambient lighting for the customer. He accidentally bought the model that did not come with the ambient lighting and was pretty upset, so he came right to us to add some. Of course, I got it on rainbow just like usual to kind of show you all the colors that are available. You don't have to have it on rainbow. But what we did is stripping the door. This one was a little bit tougher when it came to finding a way to run the strip and keep it looking factory. We tried to mimic the silver trim as much as possible. This is kind of like the end point, and it was kind of where we could bring the wire into the door panel without modifying the door panel at all. So ends just a little short, but that was the no modification required way. It is really nice and flush. The dash did it a little different. Did up top and down low. Down low is a little different. It's not the acrylic strip. Down low, we actually put LEDs inside of the factory acrylic rail that's down here, which kind of gives it a nice, I mean, it's pretty cool. So that's where the air vents are. So you can kind of see the effect you get by doing the top and bottom. Again, the top ones are acrylic strip. So you can see how nicely that fits in there. Real nice and flush. Same thing. Got it in there really nice. And then the bottom one was the factory acrylic. It was like an empty acrylic rail. So we took apart some LED strips, put them down inside the acrylic rail. Again, everything you're seeing, no modifications needed at all. This is all app controlled. Did not need to run wires into the doors or anything like that. There's about 6 modules in this vehicle. They all communicate to each other through Bluetooth, so they are wirelessly connected. The only wires that get connected are for power. Each module is wired up in the door. You're able to find power in the door. And then there's 2 modules for the dash. And I also really can't see it right now, but I added 2 lights right here, which kind of give the glow down here. And then customer requested that we put some lights in the center console as well. If you got any questions on something like this, let me know. These are universal strips and kits, so really you can do any vehicle. It's really just how creative you can get. You got to just make sure there's enough gapping in between the panels to be able to fit the acrylic strips. They're about, I think they're 1 millimeter. They're very, very, very thin, but some vehicles just don't give you enough to work with. If you got any questions on this vehicle, again, 2025 Kia K5. We've done a lot of Teslas. I've done a couple, I think Challengers, and the Ford Mach-E's turn out really nice as well. Let me know if you need one of these kits. We are a dealer. They are Race Sport. A lot of people asked. It's the Race Sport A Kit 18. And I always buy extra strips because these things break so easily, especially during the install process. If you're trying to wedge it into somewhere, strips go bad all the time. So if you are doing it, get extra strips, because I promise you're going to break a few. But yeah, as you can see, like gapping, for instance, here, there is no, it looks like there's gapping in the video, but it's super tight. So like we're not able to fit it anywhere like this. So if you're looking at your vehicle, if it's real tight like this, it's not going to work. You need a little bit of a lot of times with the vinyl and stuff, you got a little bit of leeway on how to work it. But again, if you got any questions or anything on this, let me know. I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. Sorry, I'm very slow at getting back to you guys on YouTube. It's not my full-time job. I just try to post some stuff that we do here at the shop once in a while. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe, obviously, and Till next time, see you.